Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are here to discuss about a question called common elements between two arrays. Question number 2956 from lead code. Let's read the question. You are given a two integer arrays nums1 and nums2 of size n and m respectively. Calculate the following values. Okay. So they have given us two arrays guys. Nums1, nums2 of sizes n and m. These are sizes and these are names. Nums1 equal to and nums2 equals to. These are the arrays, these are the sizes. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to calculate few things. Let's see what we have to calculate. We need to calculate answer 1 and answer 2. We need to calculate two answers. How you calculate answer 1 is number of indices I such that nums of I exists in second array. Okay, we need to find how many elements of nums1 are there in nums2. This is answer 1. Answer 2, number of indices of I such that nums2 of I exists in nums2. So we need to find out number of elements of nums2 are there in nums1. And we need to return it as an array. Okay, it's a simple straightforward question guys. Okay, but how you optimize your code is the point here. Let's take an array 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Now let's find out answer 1. This is nums1 equal to nums2 equals to this one. So what is answer 1? Answer 1 equals to, it's a count. What count? How many values of nums1 are there in nums2? This is the one that we need to find out. So we will take 2. Do we have 2 in this array? Yes. So count will become 1. We will take 3. Do you have this? No. So count will same. You take 2 again. Do we have array in this nums2? Yes. So count will become 2. Count will become 2 guys. So they are just asking whether this element is existing or not in the second array. They are not asking about the frequency or anything guys. They never mentioned about the frequency of arrays and all. So even though we have two twos here, these two twos are mapped to single two. These two twos are mapped to single two. So the answer one is 2. And what about answer 2? What about answer 2? Let's figure this out. So we will take this one. Do you have this one here? No. So answer 2 will be initially 0 and it will stay 0. Next it will take 2. Do you have it in nums2? Nums1? Yes. Count will become 1. So answer 1 is 2. Answer 2 is 1. So we need to return an array of 2 comma 2 comma 1. This is your answer. This is what we need to do. Okay. So if you follow the process that we did here manually with this pen, like with this, with the help of the notepad and all, if you do this particular process, time complexity will be n square. Time complexity will be n square. Why? You are searching for, you are picking this element and you are searching in the second array. And you are picking one element from the second array, searching in the first array, which means time complexity will be n square plus n square. 2n square will be the time complexity. Now, is there any other better way to do this? Is there any other better way? Yes, we do have, which is using set. Set hash set of Java. Hash set of Java. You might be thinking, oh, why? How we can use hash set? In hash set, searching an element is will take only big O of one time. Big O of one time. So this will drastically reduce your time complexity to n. N guys. That's all. Instead of searching in an array, what we will do? We will convert nums1 array into set1. Okay. Nums2 array into set2. Now we take elements of nums1, search in set2. We take elements of nums2, search in set1. When I said searching, we are not searching in an array two time, which takes n time complexity. We are searching in the sets, which take simple one time complexity. So that's how the time is reduced. So let me create hash sets for you people. Hash set integer s1 equals to new hash set home, copy, paste. Just change the name to s2. Now int I equal to 0, I less than nums1 dot length I plus plus. Store it into S1 dot add of nums1 of I. Store all elements into S1, guys. Now copy the same thing. Now do the same thing for nums2 also. Nums2 also. We are storing it into nums2, where we are storing into the second set. Okay. After that, now initialize count. Initialize count. A count, A1, answer 1, comma, answer 2. 0. Initialized with 0. Okay. Next, iterate on nums1 now. Iterate on nums1. When iterating, what you need to do, if s1 dot we need to search for current element, like we will take the current element nums1 of I. We need to check whether the current element is there in set 2. If s2 dot contains current element, which means answer 1 plus plus. That's all. Same thing we need to do for nums2 also. We will do for nums2, we will get the nums2 element and we will search in nums1 and answer 2 will be increased. Now at the end, we need to return the array. Return new int of a1 comma a2. This is how we do this, guys. Very simple one. So the time complexity here, what happened is it drastically reduced from n square to n, but with increasing the space to n. So this is the only change. I hope you understand this one and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's meet in the next one. Until then, see you guys.